Hello. Wow. Well, thank you, all the participants who are here today. I really want to first say thank you for giving up 4 days of your time to get on board with this experience. And the appetite for this event has been marvelous, and well done for securing a place. So delivering a hackathon digitally is a unique experience, certainly for ourselves. And we're excited to see what happens and what we learn over the next 4 days. So this is for the OGTC. This is the first virtual hackathon that we've run, which is codeless. And of course, normally we would have been at the P&J Live in Aberdeen during the Ingenious conference. But like everything that's happening at the moment, we've pivoted digitally. So that's why we're doing it this way. And just a key about what Ingenious is. Ingenious is a conference. It is sponsored by the Society of Petroleum Engineers, Scottish Enterprise, and the OGTC. And the theme is accelerating to a new energy norm. So this is all in support of our net zero future. But all of you should have had a ticket for this. And so really, in between hacking, you can expand your knowledge, you can meet with the other attendees, discover new technologies, do some speed networking. And so I hope that as part of this, if it's not with Ingenious itself, that during the hackathon, you get to network with some of your colleagues. So who am I? So my name's Myrtle Dawes. I'm the Solution Centre Director at the OGTC. I've been working in the industry for 30 years. And through that time, I have seen quite a lot of transition, especially in the areas of HSE, but also in digital, going from using digital as a productivity tool to now having solutions and insights which we could never have got. And now we're moving into energy transition. So that's why we're here, because energy transition is happening now, and we are really looking at how we're going to move from our traditional focus into the new emerging sustainable energy solutions. And digital is going to help us there. It's going to focus what we're doing, and we want it to accelerate the scalable applications of these new energy sources. So let's not forget that over the next few days, you will get the chance to put forward some game-changing solutions, and these are real-life challenges. And I want to thank a really big thank you for our delivery partners. We couldn't have done this without them. They put in an enormous amount of effort to make this happen. And these include Microsoft, Intelligent Plant, the Offshore Renewables Energy Catapult, the Oil and Gas Authority, Ithaca Energy, and Wood. And then we've had some supporting partners, HCL, DXC, Avanade, Data Labs, and Scottish Enterprise. So what are you part of? Well, you are part of 108 participants with diverse professions. 19% of you have not hacked before. So we've got 23 teams over 6 continents. So the only one we didn't get participants from is Antarctica. And we have 65 locations globally. So I know for some of you, this is going to be either really early or really late. And then in terms of the industry, we've got 27 expert mentors in hand to guide you and help you. And these are people who either know the platform, know the data, know the industry problems. So they are people who can really help bring out the best. And then we've got 12 energy industry experts who are going to come to actually judge and select the winning team. And of course, there is a cash prize up for grabs. So now I'm going to hand over to Steve Ashley, who's going to walk you through the agenda. Steve.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Stephen Ashley. I'm the Digital Transformation Solution Centre Manager at the Oil and Gas Technology Centre. So it's my honour to invite to congratulate you all and welcome you to this. And my job today is just to walk you through the agenda for the next few days. So day one is all about learning the platform. So today we're packed. We're going to learn about well, initially we're going to learn around the challenges and a bit of a deep dive session with the data custodians. After a short break, we're going to have a look at the masterclass overview, and then we're going to get into learning the platform. So by the end of the day, we believe that you'll have all the skills you need with the Microsoft platform to really have a go at these challenges. And towards the end of the day, we're going to finish up with Steve Harrison from Scottish Enterprise, who's going to give a brief session on how to focus and really look at the challenges and help you get started for next day. So day 2 is all about hacking. So this is where you and your teams get going with the challenges. And as Myrtle says, there's lots of people and lots of support to enable you to make the best progress. And so hopefully you'll really get your teeth into the challenge. However, what we've got throughout the day, so if you need a break from all that, we've got a number of keynotes from Steve Aiken, MD at Intelligent Plant. Unfortunately, you're going to have to listen to me if you want to. I'm going to talk about the energy transition. And then we have a keynote from Tom Siebel, who's the chairman of C3AI. And then on day 3, the hacking sessions continue, but towards, from a sort of lunchtime onwards, we're going to be looking at pitches. So this is where you're going to pitch your results, your outcomes, and we'll go through and we'll identify a short list of teams. And ready for day 4. So on day 4, we're going to have some live pitches. So the teams who've been identified will pitch live in the Ingenious program, the main part of the program. And towards the end of that, we're going to announce a winner. So good luck to everyone. I'm sure there's going to be some really great outcomes. I believe the judge is going to have a really tough time towards the end, trying to decide who are the top team. But just again, extend my welcome and good luck to everyone. I'm now just going to hand over to Rick Irons, who's the Industry Strategy Manufacturing Energy Resources UK Manager from Microsoft, to say the final few words.
Thanks very much, Steve. So good morning, evening, afternoon, wherever you are. So Steve says I'm the Director for Industry Strategy at Microsoft. I'm really excited about today. Really excited about what we're going to see when we get to Thursday. So I'll keep this very short because I'm aware I'm the one that's going to be standing in front of you, actually getting on and doing a lot of this stuff. I think 2 key things for me. The first one is over the last few years, we've seen a massive amount of change in terms of the way people are using technology to address industry challenges. And one of those we can see today, this is that move away from traditional coding to using applications which allow you to use the data at hand to produce insights very quickly. The second one is this real transition to net zero. Excuse me. And as Myrtle says, and as Stephen says, this is happening absolutely everywhere in every industry. But the only way we're actually going to be able to get to some kind of net zero, some kind of big reduction in terms of carbon emissions in the UK and other parts of the world is by accelerating through innovation. And to do that, we need technology. So I'm really excited because what we can see here is the fact that we've got digital technology, we've got domain knowledge and domain expertise, and we've got collaboration. It's when we bring those 3 things together that we actually produce something that's different. So best of luck over the next 3 days. And I'm really looking forward to seeing what's been produced on Thursday so we can make a judgment, hand out the prize, which I'm sure people are excited about. But more importantly for me, I'm excited to see the outcomes that are produced. So thank you. Good luck.